Okay, wallpaper installation is that type of installation that is used in modern interior wall designs. Basically, it involves choosing a desired wallpaper color, fixing adhesive to the wall and the paper, and then sticking the wallpaper to the wall. Now, this is what we are going to be showing you in this video. So stay tuned and watch how the procedure is for installing wallpaper. First off, the wallpaper is soaked in a bowl of water. The purpose of this is to ensure that the adhesive stick properly to the paper when it's being installed, and to ensure that the wallpaper while installing it does not cut or warp during the installation process. Now, the second procedure is to mix the top bond in a liquid bowl and add water to it. Basically, the measurement is such that 2 kg of the top bond is mixed with 1.5 kg of water, and then they are mixed thoroughly in a bowl to achieve consistency. Okay guys, for you watching this video just now, I implore you to like and most importantly subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. This is us mixing the adhesive with water to ensure consistency in the mix properly. Now, this should be done in stages so as you not to waste the material. So while the mixing is going on, let's take a recap of some of the requirements for you to install this wallpaper. First of all, you have to buy or make a choice of the color for the wallpaper installation. Basically, the choice for the color depends on the mood. Are you using it for an interior space, for a restaurant, for a game center, or for just the interior parts of your building, for a kitchen or for anything? So the mood determines the color. And then secondly, the space, that is the area to which the wallpaper is to be installed, must be measured in order to establish the number of wallpaper per roll that you're going to be using. Thirdly, the wall must be very clean. This is done by removing all unwanted material, dust, cobwebs that might have been laid or might have been there on the previous surface. So back to the wallpaper installation. Basically, you can see that the wallpaper now is laid on this platform and ready to receive adhesive. After bringing out the wallpaper from water, you can see him using brush on the wallpaper, applying it from the top part and moving gradually to the base. So this is what he's going to continue doing strategically, one step at a time, to make sure that every part of the wallpaper is being applied with this adhesive, the top bond mixture with water. And then he's going to brush on the wallpaper from the topmost part to the base part. This process will continue until there is a consistency in the film of adhesive applied on the wallpaper. At this point in time, you can see that he's almost done applying the adhesive to the wallpaper. Now, the next procedure will be the application of the paints to the wall by using the roller frames. These are in form of smooth punches that would scoop the adhesive and apply them to the wall to provide a surface to receive the wallpaper when they are being applied. Okay, just a recap. Top Bond is one of the best adhesive that is used for the application of wallpaper in Nigeria in general. So that's what's up. At this point in time, we can see us using the roller paint device to apply the paint on the wall, and this is done according to the measurement of the width of the wallpaper. With the roller, he's going to apply this gum from the top to the base. I think for most cases, roller is mostly preferred to brush because it gives this smooth application texture like on the wall. Now you can see him also using the brush at the edges. This is due to using that the roller might not enter into some smaller spaces, so the brush helps or aids in the application. Now, the wallpaper that has been applied adhesive and the wall that was applied adhesive to are going to now be joined. You can see that we started the application from the top. So from the top, you can see him using a small rag to apply on from the top to the base. Now this is the second theme that the adhesive will be applied to. So this process is going to continue from top to bottom, placing the wallpaper on the wall and then smoothing it to remove any form of air bubbles. So this is going to be like a continuous process from the start to finish. You can see him using his hands to make sure that at the place where there is going to be an overlap, it is properly put in place. Now, one thing you must note is this wallpaper has a pattern, and for you to achieve consistency in the design, you must make sure that at the end of one, the beginning of the new strip will be applied to achieve consistency. I think we're almost done. This is the final wallpaper that the adhesive was used on, and then we are going to be placing this wallpaper on the ground. And in a little while, you'll just get a view of like the total area of how the wallpaper was totally installed on the system, to see the beauty in measurement and the consistency in application. Like I told you, it's a simple DIY methodology for installing these things. It's something that you can do yourself, and then it's as easy, just like I explained on the procedure for installing this wallpaper. So what you should just do is to get your wallpaper, get the materials, and know the methodology. This is what we have explained here. Finally, this is the last sheet, and what you can see, he has applied it from the top. I think he's now going to use the rag to smoothen it to the base to remove any form of air bubble, because we want our view of this wallpaper to be smooth, sleek, and beautiful. To wrap the whole process up, wallpaper installation is an alternative to painting. Color depends on the mood. In application, it's very simple, but then it has procedures which you just learned in this video. Secondly, for you to install them properly, you need your tools, and you need to make proper measurements of the spaces for the application. And finally, finishing. After you're done installing the wallpaper, it is important that you finish the surface to achieve consistency and to cut all the rough edges out, to trim all unwanted extra, because you have to just make it look alright. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to iConstruction TV. We'll be showing you more of DIY and construction activities. Make sure you subscribe.